Alright, this is my ceiling fan helicopter project I've been working on. And it's a 1/6 scale 21st century toys G.I. Joe helicopter. Been looking for one of these for quite a while, but they go for quite a bit of money. I scored though because I got this one for $5 at a garage sale last week. And then started looking out for a ceiling fan. I found the ceiling fan, all white ceiling fan at a garage sale for $5. They're asking 10, but never pay what they're asking, right? And so I painted the blades and the lower part of the fan black and took the lights off it. Mounted this where the lights hung originally. Still want to add a little bit more detail to it. Get one more, or actually get a G.I. Joe pilot. I'm going to keep an eye out for one of those. I'll plug it in. I'm going to put it up in the boys' room eventually. Let's see if I can figure out some way to make that back propeller spin. This is what it'll look like in the boys' room. And the ceiling's white in there, so the fan part will blend right in. Alright, let me know what you think.